Hey guys, it's Eddie from WTI, and today I want to share with you my cover for my iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. Now, a couple of features about this cover that I absolutely love is the fact that it looks amazing when you look at it. It's really beautiful. The design that you can tell with the mountain and the starry sky looks absolutely gorgeous. So take a quick look so you can see. It actually feels a little textured when you touch it, which I really like. Another thing that I really appreciate is that it's raised right around where the camera goes, as you can tell right there. So it actually protects the camera, which in my phone is extremely important. So let me show you what it looks like when you put it on. So you get your phone, you put it in just like that, and just snap it into place. And there you go. Your cell phone is completely protected and it looks like a piece of art. I really love it. As you can see, the on/off button works without a problem, and you can also adjust the volume on the sides without a problem. So there you go. So this cell phone case is beautiful. It covers a phone and I love it. And I think you will too. That's my point of view.